Anthony Thornton, AI, Artificial Intelligence Certified AI Consultant.
What if your HVAC business could book jobs while you sleep? Not just capture leads, but actually convert them into scheduled appointments automatically. Because here's the truth most HVAC owners overlook. The majority of high-intent customers don't call during perfect business hours. They call when their AC breaks, when their heater fails, when it's urgent. And if you're not there, you lose them. But now, you don't have to. Let's go deeper. You already know you're missing calls during the day. But what about after 5 p.m., weekends, holidays? That's where some of the highest urgency, highest value jobs exist. And right now, those leads are going straight to your competitors. Not because they're better, but because they're available.
Here's the real bottleneck.
You cannot scale your personal availability. You can't answer every call. You can't respond 24/7, and you shouldn't have to. But your business, it needs to. That's the gap between where you are and where you want to be. In part 1, we covered capturing missed calls. Now we go further. This is where HVAC companies separate from their competition. Layer 2 automation includes smart follow-ups, AI conversation handling, and dynamic booking logic. This isn't just response. This is conversion automation. Here's the upgraded system. Step 1 is the instant response we covered in part 1. Step 2, AI asks qualifying questions. What's the issue? Location? Urgency? Step 3, based on answers, the system routes them. Emergency goes to an immediate callback. Standard leads get a booking link, while others enter a follow-up sequence. Automated reminders reduce no-shows. Now you're not just capturing leads, you're guiding them to a decision. Here's a hidden insight. Customers don't want to think. They want to be guided. The company that makes it easiest wins. Automation removes friction, and friction kills conversions. My name is Anthony Thornton, one of 200 internationally certified AI automation experts. I install simple automations to run more efficient businesses. If you want results in less than 21 days, without adding staff, book a strategy call at anthonythorntonspeaks.com. We've seen HVAC companies go from missed calls and empty slots to fully booked, consistent growth. Once your lead handling is automated, you can scale marketing and add technicians without the stress. Right now, you have 2 options. Keep losing opportunities or build a system that converts automatically. Go to myfreeaiaudit.com or book a strategy call at anthonythorntonspeaks.com. Let's turn your missed opportunities into predictable revenue.